Hello, this is Ron Zino Brown here from the Bat Cave here with an update on the Zeno 2 drone. I got a email from Gearbest Day. I finally got my shipping email update from Gearbest Day, and it's not good. Stay tuned. Okay, I actually received two emails from Gearbest today. One from the shipping department, and the other one from my contact at Gearbest. And again, unfortunately, it's not good news either way. So let me read to you what what the Gearbest shipping email says. And before I get started, I just want to get a baseline established here that I pre-ordered the Xeno 2 on December 17th from Gearbest on the pre-order price of $3.99. It was a Gearbest exclusive. Nobody else supposedly had it, even though a guy in Canada got his from Alibaba last week. But that was the how you want to say it, the bill of goods we were sold that only Gearbest would have it at the beginning. So let me get on to this email here with no further ado. Okay, this is from Gearbest support. Shipping delay notice. I mean, this isn't a reply from anything I sent. This is just them. I've never contacted Gearbest about this drone at all, except buying and paying for it. So again, Gearbest support. Dear customer, they don't even have my name. Just dear customer. Thank you. It must be a generic email. Dear, thank you for your support. We are currently out of the office now from January 23rd, and today is actually the 21st. So they're saying out of the office and the 23rd, and it's 2 days before. Well, maybe only 1 day before in China. From January 23rd to January 29th, celebrating the Chinese New Year. We kindly ask you to submit a ticket, and we will get back to you as soon as possible when we return on January 30th. They want me to submit a ticket. A ticket for what? Say, where's my drone? Please only submit one ticket per inquiry during this period, or it may delay our response once we resume normal services. If I submit a ticket, will I get my drone any faster? Huh? Kindly note that during this period, from January 23rd to February 10th, inclusive, orders will not be shipped. We will ship orders again after February 10th. Thank you for your patience and happy Chinese New Year's. Best regards, Support Center, Gearbest Customer Service, Gearbest.com. Not good news. Sometime before the New Year, Gearbest put up one of their promo videos on YouTube, and my comment on the video was, when will this product ship? And from Gearbest themselves, their own people said it will ship on 1/1/20. So today is the 21st. So that ship sailed a long time ago. And my point being here is, I don't want to be a whiner. Where's my drone? But what I want to do is hold companies to what their representatives say. If they had no idea when they were going to get these drones in from Hubsan and would be able to ship them out, why did they give me a date? Why did they just say we're early next year, or give me like a vague answer, which most people just read between the lines when they tell you early first quarter? That means maybe they have no idea. I mean, they could have easily gave me one of those generic answers rather than say an exact date and have it be nowhere near the truth. So let me read you the second email before I say something I'm going to regret. Okay, here's a second email from my contact there, and I won't say the person's name. They say, hi, thank you for your kind reply. Due to the National Chinese New Year, the shipping will be delayed for some days. I will have a holiday between the first and the second. I will contact you again when I'm back. I don't understand. They wrote a date in such a way that I'm not. Oh, I think from January 23rd to the 2nd, my contact will be off. And many thanks. I won't say the person's name. And So, and they gave me some canned responses, sent back. Sounds good. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. Basically, we know that nothing's going to happen the next couple weeks. In fact, I said today's January 21st. I'd make it at best 50-50 odds that I had this Zeno 2 on February 21st. At best 50-50. And I'm going to say maybe March 1st is a more realistic time. Maybe March 1st, maybe you get a 75% chance of having the Zeno 2 in your possession. So I'm just these numbers are all guesswork I'm throwing out there. This is based on no research, no insider information, just pure speculation and guesswork on my part. But what do you guys think about this Zeno 2 delays? I mean, it's not surprising to me. Disappointing, but not surprising. And I don't believe I'm going to cancel my order, but I could be walking through a Best Buy store and sometime in February, and they could be the Evo 2 sitting on the shelf there, and I could just grab that, and I'd have that immediately. I'd be, going home and flying it. In that case, maybe I could grab an Evo 2 off the shelf and put a cancellation in this Zeno 2 order, and I won't have to worry about where my Zeno 2 is tonight. So that's my question to you folks out there. Where is your Zeno 2 tonight? Do you know where your Zeno 2 is? All right. I hope this update is help somebody out here, and again, any comments below on what you think of this delay, whether you care, you don't care, whether you think who could drop the ball here, Gearbest, Hubsan. Again, what's going to perturb many people is if other outlets like Alibaba, who supplied the drone to the gentleman in Canada, I'm sorry, I can't remember his channel's name right now. He's done a couple of videos, and I'm sure other people are going to have the Zeno 2 in their hands that ordered it from some other source besides Gearbest, who supposedly had the exclusive rights to it. That's really the story here. That will be the story here when we see them popping up and people are getting them from said sources besides Gearbest. And two, when is the Zeno 2 actually going to be able to be for sale on Hubsan's own website, if ever? So these are the questions inquiring minds want to know. So again, thanks for popping in this video. Give it a thumbs up if you got a good laugh out of it and a little bit of information. So hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and hit the bell notification for more videos, hopefully better videos than this on this channel coming up soon. I got a new video coming up real soon on the PGY Landing Pad Pro, which I think you'll like. I got a couple FEMI X8 videos coming up real soon. I'm putting the final touches on 2 FEMI videos. They'll probably come almost back to back. So we're going to keep busy on the channel here while we're waiting for the long delayed Zeno 2. So thanks for dropping by, and we'll see you in the next one.